Hi, welcome to the Carbon Dioxide Removal Newsroom. Here's your roundup of top weekly CDR updates from the past week. Heirloom raised $150 million to expand its direct air capture technology. Meta is pledging to contract at least $35 million for carbon removal projects in the coming year. Rosy Soil raised $3.6 million to transform the horticulture industry by creating high-performance soils that capture CO2. Everest Carbon, a startup developing a sensor for monitoring carbon removal, has officially launched and secured $3 million in funding. The Western Australian government has pledged $8.6 million Australian dollars for the world's largest biochar production facility in Pilbara. Xpansiv has launched new features for trading carbon removals and managing portfolios on its environmental commodities platform. Rosy Carbon partnered with 𝐖𝐞𝐞𝐤𝐥𝐲 biochar production using future carbon removal credits financing. 𝐸𝐶𝐞𝐞𝐤𝐥𝐲 partnered to explore direct air capture solutions in Saudi Arabia. Absolute Climate announced the adoption of the Absolute Carbon Standard by Evident Global, the first industry-wide standard to accelerate carbon removal market. NextGen, the world's largest carbon removal portfolio, partnered with 𝐸𝐶𝐞𝐤𝐥𝐲 to scale the global biochar market using Carbon Future Digital MRV. Amazon partnered with Orbital Materials to pilot AI for carbon removal in data centers. Bolivia's 𝐸𝐶𝐞𝐤𝐥𝐲 has expanded its Concepcion production site, aiming to remove 800,000 tons of CO2 by 2027. South Korea will issue $77 million in subsidies to greenhouse gas removal firms under its emission trading scheme. Octavia Carbon and Thallo have partnered to offer carbon removal credits from Octavia's Kenyan direct air capture facility through Thallo's platform. Kadona Climate secured 250,000 soil carbon credits from Indigo. CarbonCure, Abdullah Abdin, and Gulf Cryo have partnered to reduce embodied carbon emissions in NEOM's construction projects in Saudi Arabia. Isometric partnered with 7 DMRV providers to streamline and accelerate the carbon removal certification process. Poro.Earth released its annual CDR metamap on policy, outlining key initiatives driving demand for long-term carbon removal solutions. Zilva's new report explores the uncertainties hindering investment in forest and nature-based carbon removal solutions. The Clean Air Task Force and CDR issued a report on best practices and risks for implementing permanent carbon removal in the EU emissions trading system. Climeworks' latest report highlights CDR's role in climate mitigation and how it selects trusted suppliers for offsetting hard-to-abate emissions. Energy's report evaluates ways to improve CDR's economic viability by focusing R&D on cost reduction innovations. A new study in Science Advances finds that moderate ocean alkalinity enhancement likely has minimal impact on zooplankton and maintains food web stability. 165,000 hectares of mangroves have been lost to aquaculture since 1996, but restoring them could remove 84 metric ton CO2, according to a new study. That's all for now. Subscribe to the Carbon Removal Updates Substack newsletter for more details. Thank you.